Morning everyone. So today I am on an urbanisation called Camposol. We're near the Port of Matron on the Costa Clida. I've got this lovely Monsora property to show you, and it's been upgraded to a very, very high standard. So I'm quite excited to show you this one. It's absolutely beautiful. So let's go inside. Come with me and I'll show you around. So that's the end of the road. You can see all the beautiful mountains in the background. You have off-road parking and you have a pedestrian gate. Now, as we're inside the garden, it's full of established plants and trees. Lovely decorative gates there as well. This is a low maintenance garden. You've got this very decorative shale on the ground. If I pan around, you can see where the car is parked. On that wall, you could do a very decorative mural. I think it would look lovely on there. Now, as I walk around the pool area, you can see that the wall is raised for privacy. This is a kidney-shaped pool, but if you do like those long swims, this property actually comes with a community pool as well. One of those long rectangular pools. But this is great for your own family. Now, the walls, as I've said, are raised for privacy. You've got some beautiful Andalusian tiles on here. And you've got a lovely area to lounge in. And you've got this shower here as well. Absolutely fabulous. Take all your oils off before having a dip in your beautiful pool. Looks very inviting as well. And it's quite large. Got that lovely terrace to the front of the property there as well. So as we pan around, let's take a walk to the back of the property here. So you've got your electrics on the wall there. Lovely umbrella here. You have got the pool pump there and the electrics, of course. Your shower, as I've said. And there is lovely decorative tiles that tell a story of different parts of Spain on the wall. There are two there just by the barbecue. You can just imagine cooking a lovely meal and some nice fresh salad and serving it to your guests. Outside dining. Really lovely. Now here's an example of one of the areas in Spain. And all along the walls there are examples of this, which just brings the area to life, gives it lots of character. Now you have this wonderful area for outside dining, and I'm just going to take a little walk up here now. You can see where you could just imagine you sitting there with your friends and family, couldn't you? Now you have two sheds here. You have a boiler on the side of the wall there for the kitchen area, okay? Now, just down the side of this shed and the side of the property, I'll just show you now. If you can see just down there, there is another boiler, and that's for the bathrooms. Now, just coming back here, there is a cupboard. Now, this cupboard has inside it a small fridge. It's got a small fridge there, electrics, and you've got your washing machine there. You've also got a bottle cooler fridge. So if you want to put your white wine in there or your beers, that's a nice little fridge to cool everything off before you bring it or present it to the table for outside dinner. Nice chilled wine. And you've got plenty of storage in there for other things. Now I'm just going to take you upstairs to the side of the building. And I'm going to bring you upstairs to the rooftop solarium. So I'll see you at the top of the stairs, guys. Now this is where I usually tell you guys that it's very private up here and you could do sunbathing in that. But the garden is very private as it is. But you know what you could do if you're not looking over the valley and looking at all these beautiful views? You could put solar panels up here, and that would help with the aircon in the property and your electricity bills. They'd be quite minimal then. So let's go back downstairs. So I'm just going to go around to the side of the property. We're going all the way up here to the front and walk into the property through the front door basically. So just giving you another quick glimpse of this beautiful pool area. Really nice. I'll go to the far side and I'll do my best not to fall in. Here's another beach scene here in Spain. Lovely. Love these Andalusian tiles. Absolutely lovely. And this is a beautiful garden to relax in, you know. And like I said before, very private. So just here to the front of the property, as you can see, there it's like a little terrace there, so you can sit there in the morning, you can have a cup of coffee and read the newspaper. There is also an awning there that you can pull across, and you've got an overhead light as well. So without further ado, let me take you inside and have a look at this beautiful home. So guys, I've just come inside this home. It is a dream home, honest to God. Now, they have upgraded this property. It is really beautiful. You've got that fabulous kitchen down there. You've got this lovely living space. Really beautiful. If you notice, the flooring's all done. And I'm just going up here and pan around to show you the living space again. So that's the living space. I'm trying not, there's a little doggy there and I'm just trying not to, he's thinking, why am I disturbing? So in here you have your aircon, that is hot and cold. You have some beautiful lighting here and over the kitchen. But I'm going to take you in first. I'll come back to the kitchen in a moment, and we're going in through this archway to the bedrooms. Now, there's a bedroom in here. This is really beautiful. You have got large double wardrobes there. If I just stand back, give you an idea. You have aircon over the door, and you've got a ceiling light and fan just above. It's lovely and cool in here. So you got his and her wardrobes there. The flooring just flows through the property. So this is the bedroom itself. You got switches and sockets on either side of the bed. Now just up through here, you have a dressing area. Now the flooring follows through, and you got these really large double wardrobes. And they're sliding doors. Got this nice dressing table as well. And it's really beautiful. So really beautiful dressing area. And this door here leads to an ensuite. So I'm going to bring you in there and we'll have a look around. Just lower the camera to avoid the mirror if I can. So you have a nice vanity unit, your WC, and just there you have your shower. It's a rain ahead shower with a clear screen, shower screen. It's all fully tiled, really done nicely. And of course you got your frosted glass window, some shelving, and a nice modern mirror there as well. It's done very, very nicely. It's really beautiful. Now, let's go back outside and we'll have a look around. Now I'm going to bring you into another bedroom, just in here. So just in here you have got another lovely bedroom. So it's a good sized double bedroom as well. It's also got ceiling light and fan, and you've got an aircon above. On the windows you've got insect screens, blackout blinds and very decorative wreckers. I'm going to show you another angle of the room. So I've just come up here to give you a different angle of the room. You've got your double wardrobe there, got plenty of room for your storage, and it's a tidy size bedroom. So let's go out, and there is a second bathroom that I want to show you. Let's come back out here. Now just in here you have another shower room. So as you can see, I start from the floor upwards. You have a nice vanity unit, WC, and you've got a nice modern mirror there. Now we pan across and you've got that double shower with a clear screen, shower screen, and sliding doors. It's all done very nicely with the rain head shower. Really beautiful. All very modern. Now I'm going to take you out and we're going to go and have a look at this lovely kitchen. So in the kitchen you have your breakfast bar with granite worktop space. You have an integrated microwave oven, hob and oven, your sink and faucet, plenty of top and base units. Beautiful kitchen. So guys, what do you think of this property? Isn't it beautiful? It's all been redone. It's fabulous and on a great plot size as well. You've got a fabulous pool outside, barbecue area, and you've got that rooftop solarium. Now if you weren't going to use your rooftop solarium, you could easily put some solar panels up there if you wanted to. But either way, it's a great private area for your sun tanning. But to say private, the whole area is private because the walls are raised for privacy here, and it's just fantastic. And they got those beautiful Andalusian tiles all around as well. So if you are interested in this property, I will leave the reference number in the title of the video. The agent's details are all below, so do contact them if you're interested in the property. And don't forget to share, like and subscribe, please. And press that like button, push it out to other people, because somebody out there would love this property. So until the next time guys, have an amazing week, and I see you all soon in the next property. From to let to sell to buy.com. Now I've just popped up to the community gardens and pool area. Now this comes with the house as well. So in the summer you've got these lovely gardens to come to, and you've got this fabulous pool. So I'm going to take it from another angle. So if you wanted to do lengths in the morning or whatever, this is the ideal pool for that. You've also got umbrellas there for shade. So a fabulous community pool that comes with this property also.